Hello again, physicists! Today, I bring you some primo educational information. I am going to show you, long at last, proof as to why it is true that all objects neglecting air resistance will accelerate at the same rate near the Earth's surface. We've used that principle to help us consistently throughout the year, but we've never really discussed why the acceleration due to gravity near the Earth's surface is 9.81 meters per second squared. Well, here we go. We're going to need to use two different equations. In the red, we have Newton's universal law of gravitation. And in the blue, we have Newton's second law. Together, these will give us the proof we need. So let's start with Newton's law of gravitation. If we're talking about the force of gravity for something near the surface of the Earth, that will mean that my two masses would be the Earth and the mass of whatever object we're looking at. And the distance, if we're at the surface of the Earth, would just be how far it is from the surface to the center of the Earth, or the Earth's radius. So we're going to take that right there and put that on hold for now. Let's switch over and look at Newton's second law. If you are in free fall, the only force acting on you has to be the force of gravity. So F net will just be the force of gravity. Boom. And everything that we have over here from Newton's law of gravitation, that can be plugged in for the force of gravity in Newton's second law. Here is what it'll look like after making that substitution. It is a bit messy. I have a complex fraction here. And if I want to simplify that complex fraction, this is what we would end up with. And you will notice that the mass of the object exists not only in the numerator but also the denominator and cancels from the entire proof. This is why all objects, regardless of their own mass, will accelerate at the same rate, because we have that cancellation occurring right here. And that means our answer simplifies to this, that the acceleration of an object that is in free fall will be the universal gravitational constant multiplied by the mass of the Earth divided by the radius of the Earth squared. Take a wild guess as to what that number is when you plug in for the mass of the Earth and the mean radius of the Earth. That's right, 9.81 meters per second squared. That's where it comes from. So the acceleration due to gravity on any planet or any moon has nothing to do with the object in question. It only has to do with two things: how massive is the planet, and what is the radius of the planet. That's it. So there you go, physicists. The big truth finally revealed. Until next time.